Hey guys, this is Try Robotic Car. Okay, so I will tell you how to use this car. First of all, insert cells batteries here. You can insert rechargeable cells as well. Okay, then switch on this button. Okay, so LEDs, blue ones, will switch on. Okay, now put the cover on these batteries. Now click on this button, this one. Keep pressing, it will turn into robot. Okay, then when you will press this button again, it will turn into car form. Now you have to move both handles forward. The car will go forward. Now move the both handles forward, it will go forward. Now it will turn back. Now move these two handles backward, it will reverse. Okay, forward.